आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So in this question we are told that the graph of f of x is equal to 2x square is translated 3 units down and 2 units right. The resulting graph g of x is g of x. What is the value of g of minus 1.2? So first let us recap on the translation rules. If f of x is translated by h units in directions left, basically if f of x is translated h units in left direction, then the graph will become f of x plus h. If it is translated right, it will become f of x minus h. If it is translated up, it will become f of x plus h, and if it is translated down, it will become f of x minus h. This is as when it is translated left or right, it is actually being translated in the x direction, and hence the x value is changing itself, whereas here up or down it is actually translated in the y direction, so the y value is being added or subtracted from. So now that we know these translation rules, g of x is f of x translated 3 units down and 2 units right. So this is what is given to us in the question: 3 units down and 2 units right. So we must translate f of x to get the value of g of x. So g of x will be equal to f of x minus 2 minus 3. Using these rules, for right 2 units, x minus h, which is x minus 2 here, and down we will use this, so it will become minus 3. So now that we know this, we will put in the value of f of x, which is this, is equal to 2x square. So g of x will be equal to 2 times x minus 2 square minus 3. So now that we know the value of g of x, we can simply put this value, which is minus 1.2, and find g of minus 1.2. 0.2 will be equal to 2 times minus 1.2 minus 2 square minus 3. So this is equal to 2 times minus 3.2 square minus 3. So if we calculate this, we will get 20.48 minus 3, which is nothing but 17.48. So g of minus 1.2 is equal to 17.48. That is option D, and we will select that answer.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।